Stainless steel is resistant to corrosion, but it is not fully stain or rust proof. If your stainless steel sink is rusting, no worries. We're going to show you how to remove the rust from your sink. We are using Clean My Steel Rust Remover Kit, which includes a rust remover, a protectant, and a sponge. Before we start, damp the sponge. Shake the rust remover well. Apply a decent amount of remover on the damp sponge. Use the sponge to wipe the rusted area thoroughly with some pressure. After a few minutes, you can see that the sink is covered by foam. Allow the solution to soak for 2 to 6 minutes or even longer if needed. Now wipe off the sink with a damp cloth. You can see the majority of the rust has been removed. To get rid of the remaining rust, repeat the previous steps. Wipe the sink off again with a soft cloth. Now all the rust is gone. Once the rust is removed, keep it off by applying a protectant solution to the sink. Dilute 2 parts of cold water to 1 part of the protectant. Apply the solution generously with a cloth or sponge to the surface. When the sink is dry, we finish with the rust removal process. As you can see, all the rust is now gone. We definitely recommend this product to keep your sink looking brand new.